Can you borrow money from Rocket Money? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if you could borrow money from Rocket Money? It's a question that's been popping up more and more as people explore different financial options. Today, we're diving deep into this topic, debunking myths, and providing you with a clear understanding of Rocket Money's lending capabilities. Understanding Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money, formerly known as Trim, is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their finances more effectively. It offers features like bill negotiation, subscription management, and credit score monitoring. However, its core function is not lending. Rocket Money's primary services. Let's clarify what Rocket Money excels at. It's a tool for saving you money on existing bills and subscriptions. It negotiates better rates with your service providers and helps you identify and cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Exploring lending options. Rocket Money and lending partners. While Rocket Money itself doesn't directly lend money, it often partners with lending institutions to offer its users additional financial services. These partnerships can include opportunities for personal loans, credit cards, or other forms of financing. The lending process. If you're interested in borrowing money through Rocket Money's partnerships, the process typically involves partner selection. Rocket Money may present you with a range of lending partners based on your financial profile. Application. You'll need to fill out a loan application with the chosen partner. Approval. The lender will review your application and determine whether to approve your loan. Disbursement. If approved, the loan funds will be disbursed to you. Factors affecting loan eligibility. Credit score. Your credit score is a crucial factor in determining your loan eligibility. A higher credit score generally increases your chances of securing favorable terms. Income and debt. Your income and debt-to-income ratio will also be considered. Lenders want to ensure you have the financial capacity to repay the loan. Other factors that may influence your eligibility include your employment history, length of residence, and any recent bankruptcies or foreclosures. Pros and cons of borrowing through Rocket Money. Pros. Convenience. Rocket Money can streamline the loan application process by connecting you with potential lenders. Personalized recommendations. Based on your financial data, Rocket Money may suggest lenders that offer terms tailored to your needs. Potential for competitive rates. Through its partnerships, Rocket Money may be able to negotiate competitive interest rates for loans. Cons. Limited lender options. Rocket Money's partnerships may not offer as wide a range of lenders as other platforms. Potential for higher interest rates. While Rocket Money can help you find competitive rates, there's always a risk of higher interest rates compared to traditional lenders. No guarantees. Rocket Money cannot guarantee that you'll be approved for a loan or receive favorable terms. Alternatives to Rocket Money for borrowing. Traditional banks. Consider exploring personal loan options offered by your local bank or credit union. Online lenders. There are numerous online lenders that specialize in personal loans. Research different options to compare interest rates and terms. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to borrow money from individual investors. Conclusion. Recap key points. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed. Rocket Money itself doesn't lend money, but it often partners with lending institutions to offer loan options to its users. While it can be a convenient way to explore borrowing options, it's essential to consider your creditworthiness, income, and debt before applying. Call to action. If you're interested in exploring loan options through Rocket Money or other platforms, be sure to do your research and compare offers from different lenders. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.